Do you struggle to manage your finances or feel like money disappears faster than you earn it? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we'll share the 5 golden rules of budgeting that can transform your financial life. Let's dive in. Rule 1. Pay yourself first. Before you pay any bills or spend a dime, set aside a portion of your income for savings. This habit builds wealth over time and protects you from financial emergencies. Start with just 10% of your income. Trust us, your future self will thank you. Rule 2. Track every expense. Next up, track every expense. You can't manage what you don't measure. Use a budgeting app or a simple notebook to record where your money goes. You'll be surprised how small expenses like daily coffees or subscriptions can add up to big costs. Rule number 3. Use the 20-30-50 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to essentials like rent and food, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. This structure keeps your budget balanced and helps you prioritize your financial goals. Rule 4. Avoid impulse spending. Rule 4. Resist the urge to splurge. Impulse spending can destroy your budget. Always take a moment to ask yourself, do I really need this? Delay big purchases for 24 hours to curb impulsive decisions. Rule 5. Review and adjust your budget regularly. Lastly, review and adjust your budget regularly. Life changes, and so should your budget. Set a monthly check-in to fine-tune your spending, savings, and goals. Staying flexible keeps you in control. These 5 golden rules of budgeting are simple, yet powerful. Start applying them today, and you'll be on your way to a healthier financial future. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Money Smart tips. Until next time, stay smart, stay savvy,